friends, my name is Eugene Yosuchang. I am studying in nursery. Today I will teach you how to pray. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 6, 9-13. Jesus teach us pray like this. Hold your hand, close your eyes, to play like this. Oh Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. And it is in heaven, give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sin. Forgive those who sin against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. You close your eyes. You close your eyes. If you like my video, let me subscribe my channel to get more videos. Bye bye.